Wow. Oh, really good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Hello everyone. On today's show, I'll be showing you how to make a delicious crab cake over Mafaldine Alfredo. We have a guest appearance. Crush about 13 salted crackers until they're nice and coarse. Now get some fresh parsley, wash them and dry them well, and we're going to mince them finely. Now put them to the side. Now get about 6 large cloves of garlic and mince them finely and put them to the side. Now get yourself a whole shallot, mince it finely, add the garlic and mince it again and put it to the side. Don't forget to wash your cutting board. Now let's boil some Mafaldine noodles. Add some salt in your noodles and let it boil until tender. Now let's get the lump crab meat and add it to a bowl nice and gently. Add about 1 cup of mayonnaise in the bowl. Add about 1/4 of Dijon mustard in the bowl. Add about a tablespoon of Old Bay to the bowl. A half a tablespoon of garlic in the bowl. A tablespoon of onion powder in the bowl. Add a small amount of smoked paprika in the bowl. Now let's cut this lemon in half and squeeze it all in the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter in the bowl. Now let's add 1/3 cup of pickle juice. Hopefully you don't struggle like I did opening up this bottle. I got it eventually. And spilled it everywhere. Add 2 pinches of sugar in the bowl. Now mix it all together nice and well. Add the crab meat and cracker crumbs and fold gently together. Make sure you fold this nice and well. Now let's make them a ball and place in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Once chilled, put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 18 minutes. The pasta should be done now, so let's drain it and set to the side. Now let's cut some sun-dried tomatoes into strips. Cut as much as you want and set to the side. Set your pan at medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of butter, some olive oil, and let's get it nice and hot. Now let's get your shallots and garlic and mix it in the pan nice and well until it becomes nice and soft and the shallot starts to melt. Now let's get your parsley and mix it nice and well. Looks like we have an audience on today's show. Hey buddy. Now let's add some baby spinach and mix well. Add your sun-dried tomatoes, mix it well. Now add 1½ tablespoon of cream cheese. Add about 1½ cups of heavy cream. Add some salt and pepper to taste. This is about 5 ounces of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. I added about 4.5 ounces into the sauce. Add about 1/3 cup of chicken stock. Mix it nice and well. Once the sauce thickens, put some sauce to the side. Now let's add the pasta. Mix it nice and well. Oh yeah, it's all coming together. Now it's time to plate and enjoy. The crab cake came out perfect. Don't forget to add that extra sauce on top and garnish with some parsley. This came out so good. Look how delicious this looks. Time to find out what my wife thinks of this. Alright, what would you rate this one?
This one's like a solid 9.
9, okay. Hey.
Yeah. So, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, this is slamming right here. This dish came out so good. The flavors were out of this world. I really do hope you enjoyed this one. Until next time.